What's going on, guys? Welcome to Slade Street. We just got these new steel Shockwave shields in. Very exciting. Everyone's been asking. This is a battle-worn version, kind of sanded, you know, or normal sprays. This is the 4-color camo. But what I'm going to do is just do a one-take video of how to install the shield. So what I do is I mask off a little bit of the front bracket space. Take the barrel, and what I do is I slide it in until that front bead sight pops through. This is the Defender Tactical Highball sight, so that's an aftermarket sight, but you'll see it sits in there well. And what you guys got to remember is that these are steel shields. They're not our Zytel polymer ones, so they are going to scratch your barrel. That's something you got to kind of deal with, but it's not that bad. So what I'm going to do is seat it, metal on metal, like I said. But yeah, it's good to go. And then this front bracket part, I just masked it off, but it's going to get scratched. I'm just going to pinch it with some channel locks. And unlike the Mossberg branded shields, these you can actually mold. You can get them to fit a lot of different guns, but yeah, that should fit. And what I'm going to do is take the 2 longest screws that come with the kit and just kind of see if I made enough space. So yeah, that works there. And then barrel goes in. As such. And you're good to go. Screw your castle nut in, and then you're gonna put both screws in, and you should be good to go. You might have to remove this screw to get the mag tube off. That's the only drawback, but not too bad. I recommend a few drops of Loctite, but how sweet is that? Perfect fit, flush fit. Email us at shotgunheatshield.com if you have any questions. Have a good weekend, guys.